In this video, we'll explore the include and require statements in PHP. These features are essential for code reusability and file organization in your PHP applications. Using include and require, a developer can make code modular and manageable. The include statement in PHP is used to incorporate the content of one file into another. Here's the basic syntax. You write $PHP, then on a new line you add a comment that says basic include syntax. After that, you write include, followed by the name of the file you wish to include, such as header.php, enclosed in single quotes, and terminate it with a semicolon. You can include another file like config.php in a similar manner. There is also an alternative syntax where you can enclose the file name in parentheses after the include keyword, like so: include, then open parenthesis, then single quote, footer.php, single quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, and then close the PHP tag with question mark and greater than sign. The include statement generates a warning if the specified file is not found, but the script continues its execution. Now let's look at the require statement. The require statement functions similarly to include, but with a critical difference. Looking at the code snippet, after writing $PHP, we add a comment that says basic require syntax. Then we write require, followed by the name of the file to be included, such as database.php, enclosed in single quotes, and terminate it with a semicolon. Similarly, you can include another file like auth.php. There's also an alternative syntax where you enclose the file name in parentheses, like so: require open parenthesis, single quote, functions.php, single quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, and then close the PHP tag with question mark and greater than sign. If the specified file is not found, require generates a fatal error, and the script's execution is halted. Let's compare include and require. If a file is not found, include generates a warning, and the script continues to execute. On the other hand, require generates a fatal error, and the script stops execution. The include statement issues a warning, whereas require statement throws a fatal error. To prevent issues with multiple inclusions of the same file, PHP provides the include_once statement. Consider the code snippet. After writing $PHP, add a comment that says include file only once. Then we write include_once, followed by the file name config.php, in single quotes and terminated by a semicolon. Even if you try to include config.php again using include_once, it will be ignored. There is also an alternative syntax where you enclose the file name in parentheses, like so: include_once, open parenthesis, single quote, utilities.php, single quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, and then close the PHP tag with question mark and greater than sign. The include_once statement prevents duplicate inclusions and redefinition errors. Similarly, require_once ensures that a file is included only once, but with the require behavior, meaning that if the file is not found, a fatal error is generated and script execution halts. Here is an example. After writing $PHP, add a comment that says require file only once. Then we write require_once, followed by the file name database.php, and terminated by a semicolon. Including it again with the same statement will be ignored. Just like before, there is also an alternative syntax where you enclose the file name in parentheses. The require_once statement ensures that critical files are included only once, providing fatal error protection. So, when should you use each statement? Use include or include_once for optional user interface components and template files. Use require or require_once for essential configuration files and database connections. Here are some best practices to follow when using include and require. Use require underscore once for critical files to ensure they are included only once. Always use absolute paths or constants for file paths to avoid ambiguity. Prefer the underscore once variants to prevent duplicate inclusions. And before including a file, check its existence using the file underscore exists function. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.